Hey friends, welcome back to the studio. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a bit of an update as to what's been going on, things that you might have noticed, and the future of this channel, which is super exciting. Before we get going, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and smash that subscribe button. It helps out so much and helps this channel grow. Helps get these videos out to more people who will enjoy them and get really good use out of them. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much, and I'm so glad to see you back. So let's dive straight in, shall we? As you guys may have noticed, there's been a bit of a change around here. If you've been around for a little while and you've seen some of my videos, you may have seen that my logo has changed. Now this is not by accident. I'm going through a bit of a massive rebrand, changing up everything, new website, new logo, new products. This leads me on really nicely to the big announcement. The reason I started this channel is because when I was starting this craft, I was finding it so difficult to get help from people. So many people were secretive about what they were doing and secretive about their patterns and techniques. I'm trying to break that mold with this channel. That's why I'm showing you the tools, the techniques, the patterns, everything. I'm not leaving anything out that is relevant. You will see exactly how to make whichever product it is that I'm showcasing. So, the big announcement, yep, getting there. Right, from this video on, every pattern you see me making, so every wallet, every card holder, every bag, every whatever I'm making, there'll be a link in the video description that will lead you to a page, the ability to purchase either the piece that I'm making in the video, the specific one. I will have the specific one that I'm making available for purchase, because I've had a couple of people asking me if they can buy the one that I made in the video, so that will be there. You'll be able to buy the one that I'm making, or one that I've made with the same pattern, and you'll be able to purchase for a very reasonable amount. All the money that is made through that particular part of the website, through patterns, will go straight back into the YouTube channel, into this channel. And this will be going forward from now on. If I'm making a card holder, whatever pattern that is, you'll be able to buy the pattern. If I'm making a wallet, again, whatever pattern that is, you'll be able to buy the pattern. That goes for all of the pieces that I'm making. Yes, I've spent a lot of time designing the things that I make, but when you're starting out, it's difficult to come up with these ideas, to come up with the patterns that allow you to practice what you're trying to learn. And instead of just practicing and making something, which is how you learn, you're stuck thinking, what shall I make? So that's why I'm doing it, because I want you guys to be able to make things without the hindrance of thinking, what should I make? One of the patterns that I'm selling, it's that simple. They'll be available on my website. There won't be a lot of money because this is an expensive craft as it is. There's a lot of tools out there that you need to buy at some point, or would be very helpful for you to buy at some point. So it's an expensive craft, and therefore they won't be a lot of money. I want them to be super affordable and super achievable for you guys. There'll be very easy patterns and there'll be very difficult patterns, because I'm going to be doing some really difficult stuff in the near future, which I think will be really interesting for you guys to see. And some of the more complex patterns will be a little bit more expensive, longer to make and a lot longer to design. So they'll be a little bit more expensive, but they'll still be super affordable and achievable and just available for you. I'm taking that speed bump away. If you're thinking, oh, what shall I make today? I don't really want to think about a pattern, go on my website and buy one. That simple. But I need your help. I've learnt so much over the past few years that I've got so much rattling around my brain, and I need your help what I should make a video on. If you've got something that you've been dying to learn, or you've been thinking, oh, I can't find something on that, leave a comment below one of my videos. I read every single one of them. I may not respond to all of them for whatever reason, time being the main thing, but I read them all. I read every single one of your comments. So if you're dying for me to make something, if you're dying for me to demonstrate how to do something, leave a comment or send me a DM. My Instagram is down below as well, and I will make a video on it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I enjoy making all of these videos. I wouldn't do it if I didn't. And I'll see you next time.